Okay, so we've taken the badge off. We had already had our mark where it was going to go from. You make a mark on a ruler. Luckily, these 3-gallon tanks have a horizontal bottom. So you bring around the mark to the front hand side and you have your horizontal ready to run it. So, let's do this. Simple as that. Now we're doing the curve part. I'm spraying the white last because it's easier to curve this way with tape, so you don't get creases. If you try and curve inwards, you get creases on the inside. So that doesn't work. So it's easier to curve away from the. If I'm making sense, I'll try and make sense now. Here we go. Start there, and I'm just going to pull. I can see the line, and I'm just going to pull, and without really touching it, pull to where my mark is like that. I'm quite happy with where I've laid it down, and there you go. Okay, we put the badges back on. Make sure the striping goes through exactly where you want it to go through on both sides, and I've made sure that it goes through the earpiece of the badge here, horizontal in the front, and now we're ready to spray the white.
Hey chaps, check how it's looking. It's not finished yet. That gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. Yeah, I think it's coming out quite tricky. The front